of unboxing the 15 Days of Beatles Socks Advent Calendar. So, we have another little door today, but as we saw with that one, that's not always indicative of when it's a tall or a small pair of socks. So, could be anything. And I've given up guessing what's behind the doors at this point. So, I think on the last one, somebody mentioned the anthology and some Beatles glasses they have. I have some Beatles glasses too, actually, but did make me realize how cool it would be if they did like some anthology themed socks. I don't think it'd be possible. As somebody who knits, I know the limitations of images in knitwear, but God, wouldn't it be cool if somehow they pulled that off? But anyways, let us perforate the door and find out what is behind this one. Maybe it'll be like a pun on it being 8, like 8 days a week, you know, something themed like that, perhaps? Doubtful, but I haven't been right on a single one yet, so... Alright. No, I'm not right, but oh my god, I already know what I'm seeing. Just from that, I was like... Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, we have help socks. We have help socks. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. We have help socks. Oh my god. Okay, so basically, from the top down looking at them, it's H-E-L-P that way, but it's like, oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we got George in the blue, John in the red, Paul in the yellow, and Ringo in the green. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You have no idea how much this makes my day, unless you've been here a while, in which case you know just how much I love Help. Like, out of the Beatle films, that one's my favorite, even though it's the one that never gets shown in theaters anymore. I understand why, but still, I freaking love that album. I love that movie, so I'm just like, when I saw these. So anyway, may not be anthology socks, that's even better! So... Anyway, do we have any guesses for number 9? Number 9. I do not. So, if you do, leave them all down in the comments, and otherwise, you know the drill. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.